Meaning of maroon.
Maroon. Maroon.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A person who is abandoned or stranded, especially on a deserted island. 2. A brownish-red color. Examples. 1. The castaway was a maroon on the island for several years. 2. The maroon paint on the walls gave the room a warm atmosphere. Verb. Definitions. 1. To abandon or strand someone, especially on a deserted island. 2. To place someone in a difficult or precarious situation. Examples. 1. The mutineers marooned the captain on a remote island. 2. The company marooned its employees without pay during the restructuring process. Adjective. Definitions. 1. Having a brownish-red color. 2. Relating to or characterized by abandonment or isolation. Examples. 1. The maroon walls of the castle were imposing. 2. The maroon crew was left to fend for themselves on the deserted island.
Maroon. Maroon.